Hello, Jeram.
Yeah, hi Gianluca.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, fine Gianluca.
Thank you. And okay, I have a question, Jeram. Uh,
Y-
yeah, do you can you share your code? I don't know if you are in the code is in your GitHub repo or is a public repo or you have in your local machine.
yeah. Yes, Gianluca, I will show you the entire app and everything in this meeting. But
Mm-hmm.
the code which is right, I'm just compiling the README file of it. After that, I will uh, commit into the Snowflake branch. I will
Okay,
show I will show you the things that what I have done, everything.
okay. So the code is your in your local machine or in GitHub?
It is in my local machine, but after this mate, I will just update the GitHub repo of the Snowflake
Yeah,
branch.
yeah. In the meantime, because uh, if you, I have benefit to read the code just to start read the code. No, no rush. No problem. So you can also start in your personal repo. You can create a new repo in your personal GitHub before pushing the code if you are comfortable, or you can push the code, open RPR in
No,
the
I
official.
will just share my screen. I think I can.
Okay. Yeah, okay, thank you.
Yeah. So this is the README file that I have created for it. So this is the
Mm-hmm.
AIFAQ main branch, the Snowflake
Mm-hmm.
branch. So this is the starting README file of version 1 and version 2, what we are going to do and everything. And this is the version 1 code app.y and setup.sql file. And this
Mm-hmm.
is the README file of it for the version 1. How do we do install everything?
Perfect. Yeah, it sounds good. And
And the
how do you?
version,
Oh,
yeah,
sorry.
yeah, yeah, I
Go
will.
ahead, please.
So this is the version 2 code, which
Mhm.
we are going to deploy in this weekend. So this is the main beta app or alpha testing we would be doing in the marketplace. So these are the
Okay.
development methods, everything, and each thing I have mentioned it, everything. I think I have shared a mail to Bobby about the condition, everything.
Okay. So are you able to push that code in your public GitHub account just to create a new repo? Eh,
Yeah,
if you want, you can also push the code in the official repo, but you need to open a PR, I don't know, create documentation. But if not, if you can just at the end of meeting, you can just create a new public repo in your GitHub and push the code and share the code. So I have um, more time to read something and to know the architecture and something else.
okay, Gianluca. So in today's meeting, will Bobby will be there or not?
Sorry, can you repeat?
I'm asking that will Bobby be attending this meeting today?
No, no. Today she wrote a message on LinkedIn yesterday, and she's in the airport
Yeah,
because
yeah,
he's
okay, okay.
traveling. Yeah, he's traveling to home, and she's not today. But she asked me to try to understand how to get the code, and I think the best way is to access to the current version. And yeah, I think the easiest way is to push the code in a new public repository in your GitHub account, or open a PR in the official AIFAQ.
Yeah,
And
okay,
when
Gianluca. After the meeting, I will do these both things.
okay, yeah, if you want, you can send us the link of the GitHub repo when you finish.
Yeah, okay, Gianluca. So do I need to present anything or
No, no, I cannot because I'm out of office today. I just connect to talk with you, and also I'm curious about your schedule. Are you planned something for the future for the project?
uh yes, Gianluca, I think we can like making into the marketplace and making it
Mhm.
more what we say optimized version for the end clients and make it more accessible and less infrastructure consuming for the customers.
Okay,
The Snowflake app, it can create some revenue for the AIFAQ.pro.
okay, okay. Yeah, good. I'd like to share this info with Bobby and Peter, but I think if you are available next Monday, you can talk with us and about the future um, work and other yeah your perspective and so you have I see some slides. You want to share something
Yeah,
with
just
me?
normal
Okay.
the logic of the
Mm-hmm.
AIFAQ app and everything. So this is the
That's good.
basic logic of our app. So where we have like two users, which are like
Mm-hmm.
standard users and the admin user, and the entire app works in the Streamlit, which is inside the
Mm-hmm.
Snowflake cloud. And we have a database like the Snowflake
Mm-hmm.
native database and the open source LLM models. This is how our app works. And
Mm-hmm.
and this is the code and plus readme file. I'm going to just push this
Okay.
out.
Okay.
And for live demo, I have the live demo with me right now. I can show you some.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, so this is the test account which I am working right now.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So here, just wait a second.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the normal admin panel. So this is the admin panel of the user here, the main
Okay.
administrator. So here we can see how many users we have. Like here I have mentioned three users, T1, T2,
Oh,
T3.
great.
Here we can add the users and create the password and assign them.
Mm-hmm.
Or suppose the user T1 has forgotten the password, we can just
Mm-hmm.
click here to just reset the password in the admin panel.
That's great.
And in the team section where we can see everything, like we can create a team like engineering team, finance and legal team, and we can just rename and we can delete them too.
Okay.
And next one is the access panel. Like the team engineering team can access only the documents related to engineering and general. These are the like access rules that we can assign here. And we can also assign the we can also assign the admins. Like
Mm-hmm.
but basically when we create the app from our this, so it's basically the system administrator gets the admin access. So we can't remove him. So,
Mm-hmm.
and we can also assign some of the users like I mentioned like T1, T2, T3 for an example. So we can access them, the admin access. And for the manage categories, we can add categories and we can delete, update. And for the docs side, where we just inject every file, like
Mm-hmm.
if we draw, browse any file and we just drop these files and assign
Mm-hmm.
to categories, we need to assign them into the categories. So these are some files that I have uploaded yesterday.
Okay.
So this is the admin panel for the
Mm-hmm.
administrator. So suppose if another person or another user, like the company, suppose a T1 engineering team wants to log in into it. So they
Mm-hmm.
just need to share this and they need to just open their uh, Chrome browser.
Mm-hmm.
It will just load it. So here I have mentioned as T1 user and the password was shared in the presentation.
Okay.
So the T1, what we was assigned was the engineering team. So
Mm-hmm.
here his his chatbot opens. He can see here like he is the part of engineering team and the user T1. It takes some time to just activate. So here we can ask any
Okay.
questions related to the engineering part. Like, so this is the
Mhm.
role-based access control. Suppose if I have a user named T2, like suppose I just need to open another browser and just need to paste it. I think it is not taking it. I think I need to open another browser.
Mm-hmm.
Just need to paste it, the code here. Suppose the user is T2 and so we are here we have another user named T2.
Mm-hmm.
We have assigned him, let me check what I have assigned him. T2 was finance. So this one T1 is engineering
Mm-hmm.
and T2 is finance. So this is the way it works in the role-based access control. So you can query about the documents that we have done and it automatically guide what we say while uploading the documents. Where is it? So while uploading the documents, we just may assign the category to the document like engineering, finance in general, and legal. So
Okay.
the finance document gets to the finance person, and the legal
Mm-hmm.
documents goes to the legal person, and the engineering documents go to the engineering team persons. Only the respective team members can see the documents, and remaining they can't see. This is the project about. And for the injecting of data from AWS, S3, and everything, I have
Mm-hmm.
checked. Just give me a second. Compute warehouse is part. The add data. So here from the AWS
Mm.
S3,
Okay.
yeah. So these all information should be taken from the S3 like AWS side, and we should need to like the database that we have created for this app like AWS Beta DB and just connect and the S3 URI and comments and authentication if required and or enable auto refresh. Suppose when a new file is uploaded into the S3 bucket, it automatically ingest into it and we get the response. So in this way, the S3 and Azure and GCP, all the files get uploaded here into the our app, a smooth manner.
Okay. That seems great.
So
Very
this
interesting.
is this is the entire app. So by this week, I am just making it as an optimized version. So
Mm-hmm.
the infrastructure like the credits the user will spend it should should consume less like the infrastructure cost for running this for a 10 to 50 users.
Mm-hmm.
So if we just optimize it, everyone will try to use it because if the infrastructure is cost is more, the
Yeah,
other
yeah, but
person.
we can start. So I think Bobby and Peter, they would like to test that version. So if you push the code in the GitHub repo, and please, I'd like if you share with us the GitHub repo, the that presentation, the slides, and also I don't know, like documents to access to the current version. So if the current version we can test it, you can share also the current version, or if you want to also add other changes before next Monday, just share the slides and the GitHub repo with the code, please.
Okay, Chalikot. So what about the Snowflake marketplace? I have stopped it due to some reasons because
Hmm. No,
for I just stopped it due to optimizing the code and some health issues.
Okay, so no, I'm personally I don't have information on a marketplace, so I cannot check it. But in the last meeting with Bob and Peter, they told me to have a meeting with you and to have the code, to read the code, and also to test the system. So if you share the code and the slides today, we can start reading and also figure out the architecture. And maybe next Monday or when you are ready, we can also test the application in marketplace. So yeah, in other solution. No,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah, Gianluca, I will be available the next Monday.
okay. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Jerem. Yeah, it's a great job. Yes, you very much more progress. And yeah, I'd like to start with the architecture. So if you share with us slides and code, I'm happy.
Yeah, okay, Gianluca, I will share
Okay.
it.
Thank you very much. Have a nice rest of the week, and we'll talk about that next Monday with both B and Peter.
Yeah, okay, okay, Gianluca.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, bye, Gianluca.